Hey, hot tubbers, or soon to be hot tubbers. Today we're looking at the Caldera Palatino, one of the most popular hot tubs in the Vacanza series. If you want a spa that feels big, powerful, and comfortable for families, but you don't want to jump all the way into luxury pricing, this tub sits right in the sweet spot. I'm Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, helping you become a happy hot tubber. The Palatino is a six-person hot tub. It measures about 7 feet 5 inches by 7 feet 5 inches, which means it fits most backyards comfortably. It holds about 400 gallons of water, so you get plenty of room to stretch out. I like to describe this tub like a family living room. There's space for everyone, but it still feels cozy. Check the links in the description for full specs. The Palatino has 45 jets designed to move water across your back, shoulders, and legs. That means you're getting real hydrotherapy, not just bubbles. Think of it like having a massage chair, but filled with warm water. That's what makes hot tubs so relaxing. Under the hood, the Palatino runs two jet pumps that gives you strong water pressure and better therapy seats. It also has a circulation pump, which quietly moves water through the system all day long. This keeps the water clean, filtered, and evenly heated. Think of it like your hot tub's heartbeat. It keeps everything flowing. The Palatino is fully insulated with FiberCor insulation. FiberCor works a little like the insulation in your house. You don't see it, but you definitely feel it. It holds heat inside the spa, which helps lower energy costs. A well-built insulated hot tub like this often costs around $1 a day to operate, depending on your climate. Good insulation makes a huge difference. The Palatino is also freshwater salt system ready. Salt water in a hot tub doesn't mean ocean water. It means the spa creates sanitizer automatically from salt. That means less daily maintenance and softer feeling water. And honestly, this is where hot tubs are heading. Water care is getting smarter and easier every year. Inside the spa, you'll find LED lighting with 10 interior points of light. There's also a waterfall feature that adds movement and sound. And if you want to upgrade the experience, you can even add an optional Bluetooth audio system, because sometimes the best soak includes your favorite playlist. The Palatino is perfect for families, first-time hot tub buyers, or people upgrading from plug-and-play spas, or anyone who wants a large, comfortable hot tub without jumping into luxury pricing. It's what I call smart ownership. You get great space, great therapy, and reliable construction. And honestly, that's what most hot tub owners actually want. Now, if you want things like more therapy seats, advanced automation, or luxury finishes, then you might step up into the Paradise or Utopia series. But the Palatino sits right in that value category sweet spot. Lots of space, strong performance, and a price point many families feel comfortable with. The Palatino checks a lot of boxes: big seating, strong hydrotherapy, saltwater ready, and excellent insulation. It's one of those tubs that just makes sense for a lot of people. And that's exactly why I sell a lot of them. Thanks for letting me help you become a happy hot tubber. If you'd like to learn more about hot tubs, check out the video right over here. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hot tubbing.